STEM and IT jobs are one of the largest job industries both in America and around the world. Unfortunately, minorities, veterans, and women are severely underrepresented in these positions within the U.S., and Xpanxion has a vision to make a change to improve representation. That is why we created Step It Up. The Step It Up Apprenticeship program is part of our nationwide science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM) initiative to educate and train individuals across the country and prepare them for a full-time employment opportunity in information technology. This program is UST's unique accelerated talent development program to train and provide resources from local communities to solve our nation's technology talent shortage. Xpanxion is a wholly owned subsidiary and the U.S. delivery arm of UST. Our program is a national approved Department of Labor apprenticeship program and a Department of Defense SkillBridge program that is executed by Xpanxion. Through this initiative, we consistently train and place qualified people by building the talent pipeline. A degree in computer science is not required. Our clients first share with us their goals and identify their needs for categories of IT resources. Next, a custom curriculum is developed to build skills over 4 to 7 months of intensive training. Xpanxion takes the lead by recruiting and screening applicants, as well as manages all facets of course delivery. Our clients participate in the selection of those who will be trained. To graduate from training, students must demonstrate skill mastery through completion of a capstone project. Clients will begin paying when resources graduate from the training program. Our clients have a say in who successfully graduates. Some areas of expertise and learning include cybersecurity, application development, robotic process automation, data science, program coordinator, business analysis, quality assurance, and Scrum Master. Once training is completed, apprentices have the knowledge to begin working at a junior level in the particular skill set they were trained in. Step It Up is changing the workplace and allowing for the ability to hire hard-to-find resources. In turn, lowering the cost of resource acquisition. Resources are trained to each specific job requirement, which lowers the risk when hiring entry-level resources. Lastly, and most importantly, our program diversifies the internal workforce. Our program has already changed the lives of over 1,000 minorities, veterans, and women, with ripple effects across communities here in the U.S. Step It Up is ready to step in and partner with America's underrepresented. For more information, visit www.xpanxion.com/stepitup.